Hello everybody and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I will be showing you how to clean your visor using only water and a microfiber cloth. This is the absolute best way and safest way to remove bugs off your helmet and visor without scratching it and degrading it. I know some people use soap or chemicals, but over time, this, in my experience, just reduce the clarity of your visor because it ruins the coating that it has. So yeah, water and the microfiber cloth is the safest way. Um, I mean, a lot of times when I rode my bike with my previous helmet, I would use something like bug remover on the road. But rubbing the visor like very sort of aggressive while on the road, and you need to get it clean fast is a quick fix. And over time, it's not very good for your visor. So the best way is to take some paper towel and dip it in some water and like put it on the helmet and let it sit for like 10 minutes or something to like easen up the bugs and soften them, and then afterwards maybe dip it the microfiber cloth in some water too, and then just like wipe it off. That's the absolute safest way to remove bugs off your helmet and visor. Do not use the paper towel to like rub the surfaces, because paper towel does contain fibers of wood, so over time that would scratch it too. But applying it to the helmet just wet is not gonna damage the helmet or visor. But we'll start off by taking some paper towel and then just applying it to the helmet. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut to that. All right, so now we got the wet paper towel on the helmet and visor. The helmet is like almost entirely covered because I did have a lot of bugs on it, I think. Sometimes it's worse, I guess. But anyways, I had some bugs too stuck in the air vent, so I kind of folded this paper towel to shove it in. So yeah, you can do that too. But otherwise, the helmet is nicely covered in paper towel. So I'll wait 10-15 minutes and then I'll be back, and then we'll take off the paper towel and then we'll wipe it with a clean microfiber cloth to see how easy the bugs come off. All right, so now I've been waiting for like 15 minutes. I'll be taking off the paper towel and then we will wipe it with the microfiber cloth. So I think we're just gonna start on the back here. Yep, just put it back in the bowl. All right, like that. And some of the bugs even come off just by pulling the paper towel, so that's nice. And then I'm just gonna dip this a little bit in the water so it's kind of wet, and then I'm just gonna be wiping it off the rest of it. So yeah, this is kind of like the same thing when you ride and it starts to rain. Some of you might have noticed that suddenly the bugs soften up and they just come off by you taking the glove and just wiping your visor. So yeah, you can see that comes off nice and easy. Yeah. So that's just a quick video. I I probably know that there's a lot of ways to do this, and not necessarily this, but because this is kind of simple. But you guys might have different approaches to like using some kind of special product. But my advice to you is just to use water, paper towel, and don't rub the surface with the paper towel. Just use a microfiber cloth. I get that if you're on the run and you're out riding, you might not have time to put the paper towel on and stuff like that. But maybe if you have a bottle of water or something, just like pour it over and have a quick break. Sometimes I do that because that's just much safer for your visor. I mean, a time or two doesn't hurt, I think, with some special product, but again, over time, it will just destroy the coating and reduce clarity. So, this is my advice. This is my way of doing it. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.